Good evening, boys and girls. Today I'm going to give you the lesson plan and also I'm going to give you some instructions of the new lesson that you'll be learning. Last week you were on spring break, but the week prior to that you learned addition and subtraction. Now we all know that addition is when you add something to something else to make a bigger answer. We all know that subtraction is taking something away from the problem that you originally given. Well, this week we're going to talk about word problems with addition and subtraction. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, how can I do addition and subtraction with using words? Well, let me show you how. So 3 things that are going to help you when you're doing a word problem with addition and subtraction. You're going to do 3 things. These 3 things are going to help you determine whether you add or whether you subtract. The 3 things you're going to do is 1, you're going to evaluate the sentence. Evaluate. What does that mean? It means you're going to look for, you're going to look in, and you're going to see which words are used. And once you are more comfortable around those words, you'll be able to find them easier. The second thing you're going to do is find. You have to be able to find those words. Some words will stick out more than others, like altogether or the sum. But once you're able to find those words, you can determine which action you're going to do. The next thing is you're going to use those words. Once you find them, you're going to take them and you're going to use them and you're going to be able to figure out the problem just like you did on the week before, just adding and subtracting. Okay, now that you know the instructions to look for words, here's some examples of the words. For example, if you get a word problem that says, she went to the store. She bought 5 apples, 5 oranges, and 5 bananas. How many fruit does she have in all? Well, the word in all is a word that you use when you're wanting to find the total in addition, in an addition word problem. Another word or phrase that you can use in an addition word problem is the word combined. Okay, I have 3 pairs of pants and 2 shirts. How many outfits combined can I make? Or you could say, how many pieces of clothing do I have all together combined? Well, if I have 3 pairs of pants and 2 shirts, that means I have 5 articles of clothing all together or combined. Okay, the last word that I'm going to say for an addition problem is the phrase in all. If I have 3 sets of pets, 2 are cats, 3 are dogs, and 1 fish, how many types of animals do I have? So you can see that I have 3 dogs, 2 cats, and 1 fish. How many pets do I have in all? I have 5 pets in all. Okay, for subtraction, I'm going to use a different equation. So if I bake 5 cupcakes for my family, and they eat the cupcakes, I have less than what I started with. Less is one of the words, and also if I say I start off with 5 cupcakes and 2 get eaten, then I have 3 cupcakes left. Left is a word to look for in a subtraction word problem. If I say I had 5 cupcakes and I have 2 fewer than I did, that means 2 are gone, but I have 3 left. If I say I had 5 cupcakes, but I decreased by 2, that means I have 3 left. You see, I still had 3 left, but the word just changed each time. Fewer, left, and less are words to look for when you're in a subtraction word problem. Okay, now that you're a little familiar with the lesson, please be able to do work tomorrow during class. Feel free to bring any notes that you've taken during this time, and feel free to watch this video more than one time. If you have any questions, you can come see me before or after school. You can email me. You can see me before school tomorrow, or you can ask me during class. But during class time, I want you to try your best to do the assignment. What you'll need tomorrow is a highlighter to highlight words and the word problems, and your pencil, and just normal notebook, paper, math book, whatever you usually bring. Just be prepared for class. Thank you.